This is your My Car Show Radio News Update, brought to you by CollectorCarInsuranceQuote.com. Tesla's highly anticipated Cybertruck is set to roll out of the company's Austin factory today, marking its entry into the pickup truck market. The truck's unique angular design and cold-rolled stainless steel frame set it apart from traditional pickups. While the Cybertruck has faced delays and production challenges, its release is seen as a direct challenge to industry leaders like Ford and GM. Tesla is taking reservations for the truck on its website, although pricing and availability details have yet to be announced. Pierce, the largest maker of fire trucks in North America, is electrifying their vehicles. They have already delivered their electric fire truck, called the Volterra, to fire departments across the country. This is part of a larger plan by Pierce's parent company, Oshkosh Corporation, to electrify various purpose-built vehicles. Oshkosh has also won a contract to produce electric and internal combustion mail delivery vehicles for the United States Postal Service. The contract allows for the delivery of thousands of vehicles over the next 10 years. Ford Motor Company announced that the recent strike by the United Auto Workers cost the company $1.7 billion in profits. Additionally, Ford expects its new labor contract with the UAW to increase costs by $8.8 billion, or about $900 per vehicle by 2028. The strike resulted in a production loss of approximately 100,000 vehicles. Despite these challenges, Ford remains confident in its growth strategy called Ford Plus. General Motors also reported increased labor costs due to new contracts with unions. Your My Car Show Radio News Update is brought to you by CollectorCarInsuranceQuote.com. With insurance rates skyrocketing, now is a great time to review your collector car insurance policy. Visit CollectorCarInsuranceQuote.com to compare your rate. Now back to the music.